Check it out, dude.
Oh damn, I just took a jump and grab a hold of it.
See that red light in the back flashing?
Yeah.
That's the GPS not locked on yet. But this one I don't have to lock on like the other one. See, it's drifting. It's not locked on yet.
Take it up higher and get it away from some of this shit. That's kind of surprising.
It drifts.
No, it's not locked, you know, that high.
Oh, dude, it locked the first time I used it. Like, it's really odd how this one works. It's completely differently controlled than the other one. Watch, see how the lights are flashing?
Uh,
It's because I had the camera on.
does this do flips and shit?
I don't know. Nope. But
Oh, minus the blades. It looks like fucking Wraith off Halo, bro.
do what?
Said minus the arms and
Yeah.
the blades. It looks like a fucking Wraith from Halo.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay.